we'll guide you through how to create a portfolio on Vercel. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly sign up using your GitHub account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Vercel dashboard, where you can see an overview of your projects. Now, click on the New Project button, which you can find at the top right corner of the screen. This will start the process of creating a new project for your portfolio. You'll be prompted to import a project from GitHub. Make sure your portfolio repository is already on GitHub, then click Import next to the repository you want to use. Follow the on-screen instructions to configure the project settings, such as the framework preset if you're using something like Next.js or React. You can also define environment variables here if your project requires them. Once you have your settings configured, click on the Deploy button. Vercel will then start building and deploying your portfolio. This process might take a few minutes, depending on the size and complexity of your project. After the deployment is complete, you'll be provided with a live URL where you can view your portfolio. You can share this link with others or use it in job applications. And that's it. You've now successfully created and deployed a portfolio on Vercel. It's a great way to showcase your work in a professional manner. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.